Introducing the TENIAS Harvester, a revolutionary piece of farming equipment that is changing the way crops are harvested. The continuous discharge and row system is the key feature that sets this harvester apart from others on the market. The TENIAS Harvester is designed to work in harmony with your crops, with a cutting system that carefully separates the grain from the plant. The cutting system is followed by a threshing system that separates the grain from the straw, and then the grain is cleaned by a cleaning system. But the real game changer is the continuous discharge and row system. This system allows the harvester to discharge the harvested grain directly into a truck or trailer while it is still in the field. This eliminates the need for additional equipment to transfer the grain, saving you time and money. The TENIAS Harvester is also highly efficient, with a high-performance engine and advanced control systems that optimize performance and fuel consumption. This means you can harvest more crops in less time and with less fuel, making your operation more cost-effective.